Your hand has germs. You decide to go to the toilet to wash your hands. You dry your hands with the toilet paper. The toilet paper has germs. You decide to throw it in the toilet. Flush it. The toilet's touching the floor, so the floor has germs. Toilet's connected to the floor. All of the floor. The floor has germs on your whole house. Your room has germs. Your siblings' room have germs. The stairs have germs. The stairs are connected to the floor, and the floor is connected to the door, and there's a tiny hole in the door. And your germs go outside, so you realize that you give the whole entire world your germs.